In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Postman collection. If you collaborate with teammates or need to hand off API requests to someone else, sharing a collection is the cleanest way to keep everything organized and in sync. First, open Postman and look at the left sidebar. That's where the Collections panel lives. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your collection resides, because sharing grants access within that workspace context. Once you're there, find the collection you want to share. If you have a lot of collections, you can collapse folders or use the search bar at the top of the sidebar to locate it quickly. Next, hover over the collection name and click the ellipsis, sometimes labeled as More Actions or Options. From that menu, choose Share. This opens the Share dialog, which is where you'll specify exactly who gets access. In the Share dialog, start typing the name, email address, or a group that you want to share with. Postman usually suggests teammates based on your workspace or organization, so you can pick from the list as it appears. If you're inviting someone new to your team, entering their email will send them an invitation to join and view the collection. You can add multiple people here. Just keep typing and selecting each one. If you're not sure whether a contact is part of your workspace, don't worry. Postman will guide them to join when they receive the invite. Before sending the invite, look for the permission or role setting. If your plan or workspace supports roles, you'll see options like Viewer and Editor. Viewer lets someone see and run requests without changing the collection. Editor allows them to modify requests, add folders, and update documentation. If you're collaborating closely and expect changes, Editor is appropriate. If you're just sharing for reference or testing, Viewer is safer. If you don't see roles, your plan may not include that feature, and Postman will default to the appropriate access. When everything looks good, click Invite. Postman will grant access right away, and the people you added will receive a notification or email. They'll be able to view or edit the collection in their own Postman app, depending on the role you selected. If they don't see it immediately, remind them to switch to the correct workspace or check their notifications. That's it. You've shared a Postman collection, keeping your API work aligned and accessible for your team.